Hello, I want to show you empties of products which I use in the month of December. So let's get it started. That's the fragrance from DG, their Dolce. If you're gonna see the full bottle, it's green. Right now, they have another one which is pink, and I didn't smell that one, but this is like it's like being in a garden, but it's a nice flowery garden and it's not overpowering. It comes in a beautiful bottle with a little black bow. Yes, I do enjoy the fragrance and I already purchased a full size of it. Then we have face mask from Ziaja, that's their alk mask. When you take it out, okay, I did enjoy the mask, and when you take it out from the little packet, it's blue and shimmery. So that was kind of neat, but otherwise it did hydrate, and I already have few backups. Next, we got the Paula's Choice Peptide Booster. That was the small sample. It was a small sample. I didn't mind it. I use it on like I don't know, daily basis or along with retinol. Peptides, they help your skin to renew. Unfortunately, I will not repurchase because I have couple serums to go through, but otherwise I don't mind rebuying it in the future. And then I have hand cream from Esfolio, that's their peach hand cream. Was fine, it wasn't sticky or anything, but if you're looking for a heavy duty stuff, this one it's not the one. But if you're looking for something light just to hydrate your skin or after you wash your hands, this one it's worth looking into it. Then from the same brand we have their goat milk. I did enjoy it. This one it's for dry skin, so it's like a thick cream which you put it on and then you take it off. I did enjoy the mask and I have few backups. Okay, that was the sample of the Vichy hydrating serum. Vichy has two serums. That's their blue one for like a really dry skin, and then there's the other one which is the 89. 89, it's more of a gel. This is more as a milky serum. I didn't mind it and I did enjoy it. And I already have a full size waiting for me. And that was the SkinCeuticals, their hyaluronic acid booster. It was having a weird formula of like a jelly slime. This sample lasts me for 2 times. Was fine. I'm not planning on repurchasing because SkinCeuticals it's very expensive, and currently I have many other hyaluronic acid products to go through. Then we have primer from Revlon. I did enjoy it. It's a good one. I don't know if there is a little bit of left, but the pump doesn't want to cooperate and I cannot unscrew it. I did like it because it smooths your skin, fill up the pores. Or let's say if you want to have like a no makeup day, just put this one on, so at least it's going to make your skin look smoother and better. It's a drugstore item, so it's easy accessible, and I already repurchased because I did like it. But if something, try the one with a pink tone or the number 02. And we have hand soap with white tea. As a soap, it did a job, smell nice and clean hands. Okay, alright, let's dig inside the bag. So the next item is the Shea Sugar Scrub. I went through few of those in a different scents. However, I prefer mango because it's very, I'm not gonna say sweet, but it's pleasant and I did enjoy it. The plus of it, it comes in a huge container. It's easily accessible and it's kind of cheap. Yes, I did enjoy it and I already repurchased another one. Then we have the toner pads from Walgreens. From Walgreens. That's their store brand. But if you look at the manufacturer, they're made in Korea. And the ingredients are good because you have different extracts, and it comes with 90 pads. This is like my second tube, and I like it because when I get out of the shower, I don't want my face to get dry, so I just swipe one of the pads to keep moisture in it. I'm not gonna repurchase this at the moment because I have a few other toners to go through, but I consider buying this again in the near future. Then we got body butter from Ziaja. That was their orange body butter, and I did like it. It smells pleasantly, give you hydration, smooths your skin. Like, there is nothing wrong to say about this product. There are a few other items in the line, so I'm gonna give them a try. Then we got toothpaste from Sensodyne. I switched for the Sensodyne because I value my teeth, so you're gonna see this product often. Then we have a face wash from Soap and Glory. That's their small sample. The big size comes in a huge container. I would say it's like 16 ounces and costs, I don't know, like $10 or $15. Either way, the full size, it's really big, it's cheap, and it's worth buying. Now, the face wash by itself does its job. It has like a small beads, but they don't really do nothing for the face. I use this one when I shower at the gym, so it's fine, but there is nothing special about it. Then we have eye cream with ceramide. That's the one which I bought in Europe, comes in a huge container, so it took me a while to go through it. It's a heavier cream which smooths your skin. After I get to half of it or 3/4, I get tired of it, so I finish it up as a night. So I finish it up as a face cream and I use it at night, but it was fine. Then we have the cleanser from La Roche-Posay, their Toleriante. This one is similar to the one from CeraVe, so if you like that one, you're gonna enjoy this one as well. Comes in a big container with a pump and has niacinamide. Then we have cleanser from Misha, that's their Snell Renewal face wash. And even though it's a foaming cleanser, it doesn't dry your skin. It leaves nice and plump and ready for the next step. I did enjoy it and I already repurchased, but in a new package, which is white. Okay, what else we have left in here? Right, let's go to the rest of the items. That's the number 7 makeup remover. I did like it. Because it comes in a, with the opening, I just put it on the cotton pads and use it up. So if you wet the pad really well and leave it on your eyes, it does removes majority of the stuff. I did like it, I didn't mind it, and I think I have one more bottle, and it's even good for like the sensitive and gentle eyes. So yes, I did like it. Okay, then we have serum from Vichy. That's their hydrating one, and it has a milky consistency. So I apply this after I put my vitamin C, because vitamin C it's a little bit sticky, so you want to put something over it. So I use this one. I did like it, and I think I have one more of it left. Next we got face mask from Garnier. This particular one was with chamomile. I do enjoy Garnier's face mask because every single one comes with hyaluronic acid, so they will hydrate your skin. The thing which you have to watch for is the other ingredient, like this one is with chamomile. I know there's one with lavender, aloe, green tea. I know there's a few other ones, but in general, I do enjoy the Skin Active sheet mask. Then we have female wipes that did its job. We have, here we go, one more sample of the Aqua Serum, another face mask from Ziaja, which is worth recommending. That's the eye patches from Bliss, which is supposed to have with the puffing and bright. They have a little stars on the actual eye patches. I did enjoy it. After I take it off, my skin was really nice, hype, plump, and was looking good. So for sure, I'm recommending this and I'm gonna rebuy it. Then we have foot mask from Aveeno. So it comes with a little bodice, which you put it on, leave it for a few minutes and take it off. This thing make your feet really, really smooth. So for sure I'm recommending, and I went through few of those already. Then we have sample of the L'Oreal hyaluronic acid. It's nice. It's a jelly form, not jelly, liquidy formula. I already went through a full bottle, and because it's L'Oreal, it's easily accessible, but I didn't mind it. You have a sample of the Advanced Night Repair, which I'm using for many years, and that's the serum which you're gonna put at night and repair your skin while you're sleeping. We have a face mask from Leaders in Solution. This particular one was anti-aging. In general, similarly as with the one from Garnier, I do enjoy them because once you take them off, your skin is nice, plump, hydrated, and ready to follow up with the rest of your skincare routine. That's the Spa Solution. Yes, Spa Life Mask. I used this one yesterday night and was fine. I didn't have any issues with it. It was kind of a hydrating and I didn't have to use any toner. So if you see it, just give it a try. We got the shaving gel from Skintimate. I don't really care what kind of a gel I'm using to shave. Like this one was fine. I'm like, that's it. I'm like, was okay. Okay, a few items left. That's the hands up from the Mayors with the Moom scent. I did enjoy the scent. I like what the soap was doing, which is cleaning your hands and then dry them out. Then we have Secret Strength deodorant. I like it, smell nice, does its job. Then we have a heavy duty hand cream, which is the Okafor Working Hands. I went through many of the tubes, and the way I'm using, after I'm done with my nighttime routine, I'm gonna put a layer on my hands and then cover them with cotton gloves. So in case if your hands are already cracked, dry, and need some help, this one, it's really, really good. We have a essence from Misha, that's their time resolution or time solution revolution, which is a dupe for the SK2 with, I think, yeast extract. Because the small sample, I couldn't really have any opinions, but because it's a Misha, it's more affordable than SK2, so for sure I'm gonna try the full size. Then we have small sample of the Egg Mellow Cream from Too Cool for School, which has a sticky consistency, but I did like it because it left my skin nice, smooth, and hydrated. So I'm considering buying a full size. We have the Snoxin, so similarly as the Paula's Choice, that's the peptide serum. I already repurchased this product, but it comes under different name. And I don't mind it because peptides are really important for your skin because it tells your cells to keep working harder and make your skin look better. Okay, we got 3 items left. Okay, another aqua thermal serum, which is this one. Yes, I do like it because it's has a milky texture, and similarly as with the 89, depending which one, or let's say depending of your skin needs, you're gonna use either or. This one I will say for its every skin type. This is more when you really need hydration. And then the last item is the Ziaja goat milk cream. Yeah, the body cream. I did enjoy the fragrance, the consistency. It leaves your skin nice, plump, hydrated, and Like this one, it's a little bit thicker. This is more, it's still a butter, but it's not as thick as the other one. I did enjoy it and I already have a backup. Okay, so those were my empties for the month of October. Hopefully you enjoy it and I see you next time. Bye.